Welcome to Sparklebox! Today I'm going to show you how to draw cactus with a beautiful sunset in the background. Let's quickly have a look at it. The materials required are A4 sheets, acrylic colors, painting brush, palette, black sketch pen and a cloth. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. And let's start with the procedure now. Take an A4 sheet and paint it with a pink color. The next layer, let's paint it with lighter shade of pink, and after that, let's take even more lighter shade of pink. Now, let's paint it with yellow color. Three-fourths of our page is painted. Now, at the bottom of the sheet, let's paint it with grey color. Sheet is done. Now the next thing we will do is paint a cactus on it. Now, let's take a black sketch pen and draw thorns on it. and draw some beautiful clouds on our drawing sheet. And share this video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel Sparklebox for more of such amazing DIYs. Bye bye!